heart, my head hangs like the willow. It's all to do with the moon. I've studied the lunar eclipses, I tell you, they're rolling round too soon. It's all to do with shifting apogees and the things out there that no one sees. All the light threads woven over and through, but nothing at all to do with you. Truly, sweetheart, I'm awake until morning. It's all to do with the moon. It's bright as the daylight and keeps me from dreaming, and the sun is up all too soon. It's all to do with tides and fluid things, the magnetic pull on sinew strings, and the perilous tilt of the axis too, but nothing at all to do with you. Truly, sweetheart, I'm lingering aimless. It's all to do with the moon. I wander and linger and love, it is blameless. It's silly stuff, lovers croon. It's all to do with weight and gravity and the dark side that we never see. It's the synchronous orbit that blinds my view, and nothing at all to do with you. It's all in the moon shadow falling just there, and nothing to do with the light woven in your hair, or the waltz steps. Imagine 1, 2, and nothing at all